Hi friends, for any of the beginners who use MacBook or MacBook Pro or MacBook Air, there will be some difficulties in using some of the functionalities. That's why here I am in my another video of another YouTube channel talking about 5 life hacks about MacBook and macOS. So let's begin. The hack number 1 is a split screen mode. Split screen mode allows you to have two windows side by side on your screen, so you can work on both of them at the same time. For example, you say that you are trying to make an appointment on your calendar, and you are also trying to check your photos, or you're also trying to check some email. Then open two applications, click on the green button over here. The application should be minimized. If the application is maximized, click on the green button over here on the left corner, and then while clicking on to the hovering on to the green button, when the application is minimized, you can see that the tile windows to left of screen or right of screen. So I will be tiling the photos app to the left, so that all the open applications will show up over here. So when I click on the calendar now, it will be tiled to the right side of the screen. So let us see how it goes. So now I'll be able to see my notes app side by side to the photos app. So this is all about the split screen. So when you click on the middle arrow or the middle bar, it will be again converted into the single application. The hack number 2 is about switching between the words or typing fast using shortcuts. So what you have to do is you have to go to the text shortcuts. Text shortcuts allow you to save time by creating shortcuts for frequently used phrases. So you just have to go to the system preferences or settings. Then you have to scroll down to find the keyboard settings, and under keyboard settings you have to go to the text input. So under text input you have to click on text replacements. Then you have to add your own text. You have to add some shortcuts like OMG will be replaced with oh my gosh. So now when you type OMG on any of your notes or application, it will be automatically converted as oh my gosh. So by this way you can easily save time by creating shortcuts for frequently used phrases. I hope you are liking this video at the max, so don't forget to hit that like button or subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified with our latest and greatest videos on tech. The third hack is all about mission control. Mission control allows you to see all open windows like this. So now we can see which are all the open windows. You can also create one more desktop over here, desktop 1 and desktop 2. All you have to do is you have to swipe up with 3 fingers on your trackpad, or you have to press the mission control key on your keyboard or your touch bar on your MacBook Pro. So the mission control key will be small squares. The easiest way to activate mission control is to swipe up with your 3 fingers, so that you can see all the desktops and windows which are open. Like this you can close the applications or open windows which you are not using, or you can switch between the applications, or you can also shift your applications from desktop 1 to desktop 2. So whenever using 2 monitors or 2 displays, it will be very useful and handy. Now let's move on to the hack number 4, which is Spotlight Search. So the Spotlight Search is very fast and easy way to find files, applications and other content on your Mac. So here's how to use Spotlight Search. Press Command plus Spacebar like this. So you will get the Spotlight Search. Now I will just search Safari, or I'll search Mission Control, or I will search screen record, a screenshot, or screen sharing. So whenever you start typing, there will be a lot of options coming up so that you can use them easily. It will also search files and folders very faster. So don't forget to use this feature when you are searching for something in your Mac. By just hitting on the escape key, this will vanish. So the hack number 5, last but not the least, is dictation. Dictation allows you to use your voice to type on your Mac. So this is a voice to text feature which is available freely on Mac. It is a basic and very useful feature on MacBook. You don't have to install any applications for this, which can be a great time saver when you're taking notes on your own, or when you're trying to type some message or email but your hands are too busy. So how to use dictation? You just have to go to some typing apps. I am going to the notes. So now I will click on the new notes button. Now what I have to do is I have to press function key twice to activate dictation. Now when it comes to the key, you can select the key, whichever key you want to double press to activate the dictation. In my case it's function key. I'll be double pressing the function key so that straight away the dictation mic is open and it started typing whatever I am speaking. Now I have double clicked on the function key again so that it stopped working. So start speaking and your words will be transcribed in real time to the notes app or email app when you press the function key twice. So to change the shortcut or the key, you just have to go to system preferences and then you have to go to keyboard. Under keyboard you just have to turn on the dictation and then select the shortcut key. So you have a couple of options like function key, control key, left or command key twice so that the dictation can be turned on. So these are all the 5 great macOS hacks which you can use for easing your day-to-day task. Hope you have liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button and bell icon to see my latest and greatest videos on tech. Until the next video, peace out there. Bye bye. Take care.